I'm John Filson.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning again.
I use creative media and change strategy to help groups of people who are different understand each other better.
If you do that, and it's smoking,
Griffith Observatory.
People care.
With love from Thailand.
Freddie, do you know any Iraqis?
Fear is such a strong force.
no hay que tener miedo de la gente. مو هذه البنت الجيران.
تجي انت تغير هاي الثقافة وتغير كل شيء.
Things are really tough right now. Discrimination and prejudice and violence. The actual substance of a disagreement is this big, but the problem and the conflict is this big because we just don't have a sense of another person's experience. We've only scratched the surface of what communications technology can do to break down barriers.
I love the people in the Middle East. I'm from Iran myself.
The first time I saw an American soldier.
That's so racist.
I have a growing community. It's a lot of English speakers and Arabic speakers.
We have balloons.
I use my knowledge of culture on both sides to help one side learn a little bit more about the other.
مهاجرين من الشرق الأوسط قبل ما يجون لأمريكا.
You do a little Arnold Schwarzenegger sound at the beginning. Andy.
There's terrible violence happening in Iraq. I made some content that tried to explain a little bit about the situation to Americans, but also talking to Iraqis, from my peace building background.
What do they do when they have a revolution? They clean up the street.
تحكي ويا الناس حتى يعرفون منو انتو شنو تسوون.
The reaction was far beyond what I could have expected. My community grew by 100,000.
من العقلية مالتكم هذا راح يكون العراق مال المستقبل.
Unbelievable, heartfelt gratitude. One young man said, John, you've opened an important door for us. You don't understand. As Iraqis in the United States, we're scared to speak up. But you're an American. If you can do it, what excuse do we have? You've given us the confidence to see ourselves as change makers.
You should help people like me.
Helping people feel like somebody cares, that they matter, has so much power for change.
We love you, Iraq!
We may not talk about it in those terms, but love changes minds. Iraqis feel honored if you drop by their house unannounced. Caution, they will feed you. The content itself is only one layer of impact. How can we spark initiatives offline and create those ripples of change that take on a life of their own?
See society as a web of relationships. Everybody's connected somehow.
This started just with videos here and there because I had to.
Peace building, civil society, faith. The hormone of empathy. Worldview wall, challenging our adversary to a dance-off.
Excellent. Some voice in me made it very clear that this is a path I need to take. It has changed lives already.
I want to hug you, but I don't know if you're comfortable with that. Yes!
I want to know you. I want to strategize with you. There is so much good work that we can do together. Let's make it happen.
Excellent.